Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share, and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you insert a header and a footer. I'm working on Microsoft Office 2016 here. To insert a header and a footer, you simply go to insert, and then here you are going to look for text. As you can see, this is a text group. When you click on that small arrow, it's going to show you header and footer over there. And you click over there. It usually inserts a 3-column header. As you can see, you have the first column, the second column, and the fourth column. Scroll down. So you are going to type your header and the footer here. Your header, if you want to insert a footer, you can choose how to insert a footer. Your footer can be blank. You can have page numbers in the footer, and the same thing happens to the header. So if I go to none, it's gonna be like that. So I'm gonna click here and type something. Anything. Esha Academy. I can write today's date. I can write something else on the right column. So well, this is how you insert a footer. The footer is going to appear on all the pages that you print. You are going to have a footer. Even if you insert a header, you are going to have it appearing in all the pages that you are going to print. Now, let's say you want to type something. Now you're going to be able to type in your cells as normal. Okay. You're going to be able to type in your cells as normal. Let me just scroll back to the first column. As you can see, I was on another page. I'm now on another page. I still have my footer, my header, I mean. So you can continue typing your data as normal here. If you want to change your footer, you can go back there and change it. So this is basically how you insert a footer. Let's say you want to remove your footer, right? Or your header, I mean. Or say you want to remove your header. You are simply going to delete the stuff that is there, right? You don't want to see this layout of the page, this view. You can go and click there at the bottom. You can see on your bottom right corner. Just move over there. You can click there. It is going to take you back to the normal view that we had. Then here, this was the view that contained the footer. This is another view that doesn't show grid lines. Okay, so you can actually change the views of your spreadsheet to the way you want it to be. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.